Hi, it's Luang from Google Tech, and let's come back to 3D printing topic. If you have a 3D printer, for sure you will have this problem every now and then. Your prints don't stick to the print bed. No matter what brand of 3D printer you have, sooner or later you will get one of this or this. This is the worst case I got when this one stuck to the nozzle, when the bottom is detached and create a lot of spaghetti you see here. Luckily, there are solutions for this, and today I'm gonna share with you all the methods I try so you can fix your problem. The first thing I will try is to clean the print bed with isopropyl alcohol, the 99% one. However, sometimes this is not enough, and that's when you need acetone. Even though they said don't use acetone on the pages, but the old print bed for a long time have a lot of debris that isopropyl couldn't clean. So one wipe with the acetone will save you. If your print still doesn't stick to the print bed, we can try to recalibrate the first layer. When 3D printers work, they move fast, and over time the vibration will create the displacement between all the mechanical parts. That will increase the distance between the nozzle and the print bed, hence cause the detachment of the prints. You can see in this video, after recalibrated, my print sticks nicely to the bed. There is no pop-up on the side like the picture that you can see here. If you try both of them and you still have problem, you can change the nozzle. Over time, the nozzle will wear out, depend on the material that you use, the temperature that you print, and it also have a lot of filament residual that stick inside it. That we change the material flow of the new print and make it hard for the filament to stick on the bed. I usually keep track of the time that you use one nozzle. I didn't do it. I usually change it when I found problem. This always works for me, especially after printing with special material like TBU. If you're still watching at this point, I guess everything I said didn't work for you. Then let's use the ultimate card. You will need to upgrade the firmware of your 3D printer. I'm not a fan of updating, but I do it when I have to. Different printer, we have different ways to update the firmware. Some are simple, some are a little bit more complicated, but you find a way. There's a whole community to have in case you need. Those are the methods I use to fix the detached prints problem. If you have other ideas, please share in the comment section. If you like my video, feel free to subscribe, like, and share. That will help me to continue what I'm doing. And see you in the next one.